tomorrow is chasing new adventures and following them everywhere. Fly Emirates. Hello, tomorrow.
The 21st Amendment to the Constitution proposed by Athuraliye parliamentarian Venerable Athuraliye Rathana Thera in the form of a private member's bill repealing the 13th Amendment to the Constitution, which established provincial councils and contains provisions for their powers, was examined by the Supreme Court today. The bill was examined by a three-member bench comprising of Chief Justice Mohan Piris and Justice Satyahetige and Chandra Ekanayaka.
Prior to this, the Centre for Policy Alternatives had filed a petition with the Supreme Court, noting that the inclusion of the 21st Amendment to the Constitution, proposed in the form of a private member's bill by Venerable Athuraliye Rathana Thera to the agenda of Parliament is illegal and requests the court to invalidate the bill. Representing the Centre for Policy Alternatives, Attorney at Law Viran Korea said the proper procedure prior to this bill being included in the Parliament order paper would be for the bill to be published in the Gazette and for the President to then refer the bill to all provincial councils before it is included in the order paper. Korea noted that as the procedure was not followed, the bill could not be included in the Parliament's agenda and as such requested the Supreme Court to invalidate the bill. Representing the Jatiga Hilarume President's Council Manohara De Silva said the Constitution has not vested the judiciary with total power and that the Supreme Court cannot hear cases pertaining to Parliament or parliamentary privileges. The President's Council noted that as the CPA petition seeks that a bill moved in Parliament not be included in the agenda, and since the Supreme Court cannot question affairs of Parliament, the petition should be revoked. Representing two intervening petitioners, President's Counsel Priyantha Jayawardena argued that as agreements to the proposed constitutional amendment would not be determined on the petition filed by the Centre for Policy Alternatives, the CPA's petition cannot question the affairs of Parliament. Representing the Attorney General, Deputy Solicitor General Indika Devmini De Silva said the question that must be considered in this instance is not whether the bill can be included in the Parliament agenda or not, but whether the bill is compliant with the Constitution or whether it should be passed through a referendum. The Deputy Solicitor General added that it is for Parliament to answer questions on including bills into the agenda and not the courts. Informing all factions to make written submissions to court on the 8th of this month, the bench noted that it would notify the President and the Speaker of its determination on the 12th of this month.